Hey, calm down first.
Calm down.
Dealing with a combative patient adds another level of complexity to a call. Because not only do we got to worry about their safety, but we have to worry about ours.
Some patients can seem amenable when you first get on scene.
You don't grab my hair.
And then they just flip a switch, and those are the most dangerous ones.
Yes, we need to.
No!
Although it shouldn't be, it seems to be part of the job.
It's 1966, this call is upgraded to a Delta, and we are responding for a 2-year-old male who is short of breath.
Oh, I'm glad we don't have that one.
We will, yeah, don't worry.
A call gets sent out to another unit for a 2-year-old that is short of breath, and I am relieved that we don't have to do this call. Ever since having my daughter, these calls hit way too close to home.
Base 2, 1967. Delta response for a central wound resulting from a stabbing.
Oh, wow.
This means that the stabbing is located anywhere on his torso.
17-year-old male.
Like, and this is a nice neighborhood. Who gets stabbed in a nice neighborhood?
This call has the potential to be very serious.
Maybe he's helping out.
So we pull up on scene. There's multiple emergency vehicles already there, and it looks like our patient's in one of the businesses.
I got in the car to go for a ride with this girl, and then there was this other people. This guy was sitting in the back seat, and he said, "Give me everything in your pocket." I saw the knife before I punched him, but I had to defend myself because they were blocking all the doors. My hands are starting to feel
Hey,
like
James.
tingling.
James, look at me. Look at me.
I'm feeling tingling in my hands.
Hey, James, just look at me.
Is it okay that I feel tingling?
Yeah, it is because you're breathing too fast. So nice deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Excellent, just like that. You're doing really good.
This patient is hyperventilating.
We're gonna take good care of you here.
He's blowing off too much carbon dioxide, which is causing carpal pedal spasms in his fingers.
Gonna go up a little bit, Holly?
I want to talk to my dad.
Yeah.